Hi guys, in today's video I will discuss about the if-else if, and nested or ladder if-else structures. If-else structure. The basic if-else statement is a binary decision-making structure where the program chooses between two paths based on a condition. Here's the explanation. In this example, the program checks if the person's age is 18 or more. If true, it prints the eligibility message. Otherwise, it indicates ineligibility. The next one is if-else if, also known as ELIF. When you need to evaluate multiple conditions sequentially, you use an if-else if structure. This allows for several conditions to be tested one after another. The first if block is evaluated first. If it's false, the ELIF condition is checked. The else block will only be executed if none of the if or ELIF conditions are true. For example, the variable is marks is equal to 85. Here, the program tests a range of conditions in sequence to assign a grade. Once the condition matches, the corresponding block is executed and no further conditions are checked. The last one is nested if-else or ladder if-else. A nested or ladder if-else structure refers to placing one if-else statement inside another. This is useful when you need to evaluate a second condition only after a first one has already been found to be true. Here's the explanation. First, the outer if is evaluated. If the outer if is true, the inner if is checked. Otherwise, the outer else is executed. In this case, the outer if checks whether num is even. If it is, the inner if further checks whether the number is divisible by 4. If the outer if condition is false, meaning the number is odd, the program skips the inner condition and directly prints odd number. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.